Learn how to ride a bicycle. All right, keep pedal hard. Corey learned how to ride her bike in New York. Stay on this lane, I hear a car coming. That's good, Boo, you did great. I know, you did good.
Can I take a picture of you over there shooting hoops in a few minutes?
Maybe.
Oh, can you ride bikes at the beach?
To the beach?
Yeah. And you can take some pictures of me at the beach.
Well, we'll see, maybe a little bit later.
Okay, all the boys are gone?
Well, I think the boys are going to be here for a little while.
I mean, while they're at the base office.
Yeah, maybe, we'll see. See you take off. All right, there you go. She made it to the driveway. Come on. We're in New York at Chuck's house. Corey's learning to ride her bicycle. Alright, go ahead, take off, girl, let's see. Alright, first time she ever rode a bike with no training wheels. She's going. Met a tree. I know you did it yesterday. See you later, Steven.
What?
See you later. There goes Steven playing basketball with his friend. That's the school right there that they go to. It's just right across the street.
And there's the house.
Yep, there's the school. There's the marina with all... Huh? Not yet, baby. You gotta learn some more. That's the marina where all the boats are docked right by the school on the bay.
Can I just go to the courtyard and back?
No, you stay right here with me. This is Chuck's house.
This is their bike.
Uh-huh.
Point at the bike.
So you might go inside and see Robert, because I know he's in there probably in his robe. That boy never puts any clothes on.
And here's their bike. And here's Robert's bike.
Yeah,
He's been riding it for 2 days.
Mm-hmm.